Fire in the hole! Let's cook an epic burger. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is I've got about a pound of ground round, an ode to a half a pound of ground round. Probably not going to use it all. Probably use about half of it to make this burger. I've got some of my Rootboy rub seasoning that I'm going to dump in there. Get that meat seasoned up. You got to season your meat, you know that. Okay. That's some good stuff. Salt, pepper, garlic, and some other herbs and spices that you may not know about. Anyway, let's get that mixed up in there. Some Rootboy rub. A couple of people just won some Rootboy rub from Papa, Texas. I'm gonna get me about a good piece of meat, like about this size, about a softball size piece of meat. And what I want to do is work that into a big fat patty. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I'm working it into a big fat patty of meat. Let's put this aside. We don't need that anymore. Yeah, let me we'll leave it like it is. Okay, so I've got a big fat patty of meat. I'm gonna press it out like this. I've got a piece of sharp cheddar cheese that I'm gonna put in the middle of that. And then I'm gonna start working that around on top of that cheddar cheese. We're gonna make a big old burger stuffed with cheddar cheese. As you can see, my burger, I want it to be roughly an egg-shaped affair is what I want here. I might have to get some more meat, but this is starting to look pretty much like I want it. You know, usually I make a smash burger, but for this time we're not going to do a smash burger. We're doing this, it's a kind of a stuffed burger. I'm going to put a little bit more meat on the bottom here because I don't want too much of that cheese to leak out of there. But that is one, haha, I'm not lying. Now that's a burger, isn't it? That's about a burger, huh? That's a hefty burger. But I'm not done. So we've got the burger stuffed with sharp cheddar cheese. Now I got some thick cut bacon. And I'm going to wrap this puppy with some thick cut bacon. So I'm going to get it out of the package like this. I'm going to put a piece here, like so. One piece of thick cut bacon right there. I might have to get a toothpick and secure the bacon, but I don't know, maybe not. That's one. Let's put another here, like so. There we go. 2 pieces of bacon. Will be like the count. One wonderful piece of bacon. Two pieces of bacon. One more piece of bacon. Should get it. One more on the outside of this puppy. Bacon wrapped burger. I'm not lying now. That's a burger. That is one healthy burger right there. How's that? That look like something you might want to eat if it gets cooked up? Yes, sir. I got to get that on the grill on indirect heat and cook that. I don't think I need to secure the bacon. I'm just going to cook it till the bacon gets done. I don't care about the meat on the inside if it gets, I like it rare. I like it pretty rare. So I'm not too worried about it. We're going to get that on the grill, get that cooking, and then I'm going to make a special sauce for my burger, special Rootboy sauce. We got the Rootboy rub and the Rootboy sauce. So let me get that on the grill and we'll come back and we'll make that sauce. So stay tuned. Let's make a special sauce for my special burger. We're going to start this out with some of this stuff. I got very little left. This is Hai Fong Foods chili garlic sauce. These are the people who make sriracha. Respect the rooster, Dan. I almost forgot to say it. Respect the rooster. I'm going to put about, I think I'm going to put about that much. That's just about all that I had left of that chili garlic sauce. That's good stuff though. Let me tell you what. I got to get more chili garlic sauce in there. I've got a little bit of sweet relish that comes in a thing like this. We're just going to drop just a dollop of sweet relish in there to balance out the heat and the sweet. And then I've got some mayonnaise. Every good secret sauce has mayonnaise in it, right? Just a little bit, about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. A little bit of my Rootboy rub in there too, wouldn't hurt it a bit. A little salt, pepper, and garlic in there. And some catsup, catsup. You need ketchup in your secret sauce. About another tablespoon of ketchup. And I got some of this stuff. This is some really good stuff that I discovered at Walmart of all places. This is Cuban style mustard. This stuff rocks. It's real spicy and real good. I'm going to put a good bit of this Cuban style mustard in there. And between that Cuban style mustard and that chili sauce, I think we got a pretty rockin' sweet heat sauce for our special Rootboy burger. Yeah, that's looking good. Look at that. That's going to be good on that burger, boy. Let me tell you what. It's making my mouth water. I'm also going to, I've got some Texas toast that I'm going to eat that burger on. And I'm going to make, I'm going to glaze it up with some of this Jim Beam maple bourbon barbecue sauce as it gets more cooked. It's not hardly cooked yet. But that's my sauce, a nice, I'll bet that tastes good. Let me taste it. Oh yeah. That's got the sweet heat that you love. You know you love it. Ain't no burger place in the world that's got that kind of good sauce like that. So let me get my burger cooked up. Get my Texas toast toasted. And we'll come back and dress this baby up. So stay tuned. My burger's done. Let's put together this epic burger. Got some Texas toast. Got some of my Rootboy sauce to go on the bottom of that. Oh man. Got some butter lettuce to make it look pretty for the Vegematics. To make it look like we're having vegetables for dinner instead of a burger, an epic burger. Gonna get that burger on there like that. That's what you call a burger right there. Then we've got some more of that Rootboy sauce to go on top. Oh yeah, that's got the sweet heat, baby. Let me tell you what. And I got some more cheddar cheese that I'm going to grate on top of the, grate some cheddar cheese on top of that, just to make it extra cheesy. It's going to be cheesy in the middle, but yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about right there. Then I hate to put the top on that, I'll tell you what. There you go. That's what you call a burger. Almost impossible to eat. I'm going to slice that puppy in half and get a beer, show you the inside, and then I'm going to try and get that in my mouth. So stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the Frosty Rootboy Mug star of the show. Here's today's beer, Orbital Tilt IPA from the Captain Lawrence Brewing Company, India Pale Ale, dry hopped with mosaic hops. As the earth spins and twists, so does your mood, so does your taste, so does your Orbital Tilt. This is Orbital Tilt Mosaic Hopped IPA from Captain Lawrence Brewing Company. We're going to tilt that glass and pour out that awesome IPA. Hey, Rob, you got your beer ready, buddy? All right, we're going to be drinking a beer soon, Rob. Oh, man. That's a beautiful brew right there. Got a little bit too much foam there. We got to let it settle out a little bit. Pour some more in there. Try to get this whole beer in the glass. Just let that foam settle down a little bit. You just got to talk to it nicely. You just got to say, just got to talk nice to it. You know, just say, come on, foam. Settle out, foam. We're going to pour the rest of the beer in the glass without spilling it. Rob's got his beer ready. The dog's got a beer in his dish. That's a beautiful, it's kind of a hazy IPA, I think. We've really got the froth going on that one. Orbital Tilt IPA. Rob, you ready, buddy? Let's take a sniff of that. I bet it smells of mosaic hops and barley. Oh, that smells great. You can really smell the grapefruit flavor from the mosaic hops. Rob, let's quaff the froth off it, baby. What do you think? Wow, that's excellent. Had I known how good that was, I would have got more of it. Yeah, let me get my sandwich over here front and center. You see all that melty cheese coming out the middle? It's got that bacon on there. Now, is there any way I could get this in my mouth? I seriously doubt it. I'm gonna do my best to get a good bite of this though. That's what I call a bacon cheeseburger. Right there. You see the cheese coming out of there. You saw me unhinge my jaw like a snake. Well, you didn't see me, but you know I got it in my mouth. Man, I gotta have some more of that. That sauce is awesome too. Bacon. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. When you say that 3 times, Aaron shows up. Anyway, that's my videos, babies. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go from the iCard and check out a dude called Little Art. I'm going to confuse it now. His real name is Brian. Little Art Cooking and Barbecue. He's cooking up some cool stuff. Go check him out in the iCard. Subscribe to me. There's a link right there. Can't miss it. Come back next week. We may not cook anything epic as this burger, but we will drink a beer. And this orbital tilt with mosaic hops is amazing. Excellent. Okay, babies. We'll see you next week. Bye.